How do you assure continuous reliability for your cloud applications? Application owners, SREs, DevOps, and platform teams are under constant pressure to respond quickly to service disruptions that threaten to impact business continuity, customer experience, team productivity, and company milestones. At Causal, we believe the overwhelming alerts should be consumed by software, and root cause analysis should be conducted at machine speed. Our Causal AI platform automatically associates active alerts with their root cause, drives remedial actions, and enables review of historical problems, plus predictive views of potential ones. Let's see how it works. Looking here at part of your application environment, we can see you have a seemingly simple application on a 3-node Kubernetes cluster. But even just one application has created dozens of pods and containers in order to run. In typical production environments, these will be 10 times or even hundreds of times the size, and the number of alerts from your observability tools multiplies from there. It's extremely difficult to understand how all these alerts relate to each other and to the actual root cause. The process is highly dependent on people to triage, troubleshoot, and remediate problems. Looking at the topology view, Causal is showing your full application stack, including all its service dependencies. This real-time service dependency awareness comes out of the box both natively from Kubernetes and via support of other technologies like eBPF, OpenTelemetry, and Istio, to name a few. In the layering graph view, you can see the infrastructure dependencies including associated containers, pods, nodes, and persistent volumes. From the service graph, you can see the communication in and out of your application, whether the traffic is synchronous or asynchronous. As we switch over to the symptoms view, you can see Causal has automatically detected anomalies and can also map the user-defined anomalies from APM tools like Datadog. But application reliability needs more than just visualization. It can be almost impossible to keep up with all these alerts, let alone find a complex root cause. What if you could see the root cause and remediation steps for any current or emergent issue automatically and in real time? Causal shows you the cause and effect of problems that can happen across your whole application environment, including application and service level issues, as well as those at the infrastructure level. In this causality chain view, you can dive into any of the problems. For example, here you can see Causal's identified an inefficient locking problem, which causes the mutex wait time to be extremely high for this application. It's not only affecting this application, but it's also causing high lag when accessing the sample topic that's running in Kafka. Now it's easy to know where the bottleneck is in your microservices. In this case, product catalog service is the bottleneck, caused by high request duration on its dependent services. We go one step further because Causal also generated remedial actions to bring your application back to health. We show you here how a CPU congestion issue is impacting latency on dependent services. Even more exciting, you can remediate this action directly in Causal by clicking the Remediate Now button. Having both real-time and historical analysis also streamlines the process of post-mortem analysis, freeing people and time from normally complex and manual processes, and making it easy to share across teams. These same capabilities also play an important role in helping teams plan for upcoming changes. For example, what will happen if I perform some database maintenance? What would be the impact of making database changes or application changes? Wouldn't it be nice to know the impact before the change? With Causal, your engineers have more time for innovation and development while minimizing SaaS business risk. Causal installs in minutes, integrated out of the box with many data sources, and is fully SOC 2 compliant. Assuring application reliability should be this easy. Find out more by going to causal.io and see it in action for yourself today.